In part B, now come to the second round of the game. In the second round, and then in the following, they say that the player can choose two options: option one, option two. That means if he choose option one, then he will follow this game rules. Or other words, he may choose option two, then will follow this game rules. So of course, two options will give you different outcome, different expected value, and then a normal person will choose a high expected value one. And then they ask you if the player of the second round, that means this game, choose option 1. That means we just follow this game rules. You ignore option 2 first. We need to find the corresponding expected number of tokens. That means the expected value of the outcome here. So to get the expected value, then we are using the corresponding probability. Here they are talking about the token, 10 token. Get 10 token. To multiply the outcome, here that means 10 token. But not only one possible outcome to get the tokens, we also have a possibility to get 5 tokens. So we have another term, the probability to get 5 tokens times 5 tokens. To be more precise, maybe we have one more possibility is no token. And then you multiply the number of tokens, that means 0. And then you may just ignore this term. So the problem is we have to handle this probability one by one. So the probability to get 10 tokens. To get 10 tokens, they say that the criteria is 2 balls fall into the same tube. So you may consider that must be like this. And then to do so, to put in 2 balls and then put inside the first tube is 1/8 square, because the first one go inside the first one and then the second ball go inside the first tube. So this is 1/8 and then square happen 2 times. But similar situation, we can think about more similar situation is like this. So in total, we have 8 similar possibility. That means the whole thing times 8 times. Then we get 1/8. And then how about if 2 balls are adjacent to each other? So first we find how many space, how many possibility to have 2 balls next to each other. The first situation, second, third one, fourth one. So if you count like this, you will find that in total we have 7 combinations to fulfill this requirement. So the possibility to get 5 tokens is equal to, we have 7 place combination to put 2 balls together. But don't forget that for each ball, maybe the first one here and then the second one here, or the second one go to this tube, the first one go to this tube. So we have 2 factorial combination for each case. And then divided by the total possible outcome. The first time we have 8 position to choose. The second time we also have 8 position without any constraint. So this is 7 over 32. So go back to our expected value calculation here. It is 1/8 times 10 and then plus 7/32 times 5 is equal to 75/32.